As if they aren't already facing enough, firefighters in California also could encounter fire tornadoes, a rare but dangerous phenomenon in which wildfires create their own weather. The National Weather Service warned Tuesday that the combination of high winds and severely dry conditions have created a particularly dangerous situation in which any new fire could explode in size. The advisory, which runs into Wednesday, didn't mention tornadoes, but meteorologist Todd Hall said they're possible given the extreme conditions. A look at fire tornadoes. What is a fire tornado? Fire whirl, fire devil, fire tornado, or even firenado. Scientists, firefighters, and regular folks use multiple terms to describe similar phenomena, and they don't always agree on what's what. Some say fire whirls are formed only by heat, while fire tornadoes involve clouds generated by the fire itself. The National Wildfire Coordinating Group's glossary of wildland fire terms doesn't include an entry for fire tornado, but it defines a fire whirl as a spinning vortex column of ascending hot air and gases rising from a fire and carrying aloft smoke, debris, and flame, and says large whirls have the intensity of a small tornado. Wildfires with turbulent plumes can produce clouds that in turn can produce lightning or a vortex of ash, smoke, and flames, said Leila Carvalho, professor of meteorology and climatology at the University of California, Santa Barbara.